Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about all-day slimming tea, an effective weight loss solution that can help you reach your ideal weight. So, let's dive right in. Slimming teas have been a popular choice for weight loss for centuries. But all-day slimming tea takes the concept to the next level. This unique tea is packed with natural ingredients that work together to help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and reduce your appetite. In just a few weeks, you can experience better digestion, increased energy, and a more toned appearance. One of the key ingredients of all-day slimming tea is caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can help you feel more awake and alert throughout the day. This can help you stick to your weight loss goals and make it easier to stay motivated. Another important ingredient of all-day slimming tea is green tea extract. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. In addition, green tea also contains antioxidants that can help protect your body from free radical damage. All-day slimming tea also contains a blend of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind and can help promote overall well-being. In short, all-day slimming tea is an effective weight loss solution that combines the power of caffeine, green tea extract, and essential vitamins and minerals to help you reach your ideal weight. With its natural ingredients and proven results, all-day slimming tea is the perfect way to start your weight loss journey. So why wait? Try all-day slimming tea today and start your journey to a healthier and happier you.